Hola, hola mis hermosas, ¿cómo están? Espero que hayan pasado una excelente Navidad. Yo tuve una hermosa Navidad con toda mi familia. Aquí les dejo un poquito de la recopilación de lo que pasó en nuestra Navidad y estuve desconectada completamente del mundo y aquí les dejo un videíto de qué fue lo que nos pasó en estos días.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I was about to say I'm pregnant.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming.
December 25. Wait, is it 25? December 25, 1:40. It's been 5 hours since we had last have Wi-Fi.
It's been like an hour.
Whoa, in English.
Hello, my people. It's December 25th at 7 p.m. Still no internet. It's been 5 hours. Look at us struggling.
We have to communicate to each other right now.
We have already watched one full movie. We're about to put the second one.
What's the other movie we're watching?
I don't know.
Pick one. We gotta talk to each other. And then there's garlic butters in the bottom.
There's garlic butters in the bottom.
I'd just like to point out
No,
that
when
she
they
just
started
ate a tomato.
recording The show at the beginning. People learned the whole. You need Wi-Fi for that. No, I don't. I was playing it earlier.
11:30.
Oh, my baby's sleeping. It's not 11:30. It's 11:18.
Shut your mouth. This is what we're doing, and it's been 9 hours.
It's been 11 hours.
11 hours.
It's been 12 hours.
Okay, so we're watching a movie right now. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
The movie?
Oh,
Maybe that one, right? No, that's Zoom.
I did it.
There's 5 lines of.
Do it again. Hurry up.
and we're trying
The
to.
second one!
Sí, ahí está bien.
The second one? Oh my god, Tina!
We're trying to fix the
I
movie,
think that was good.
but we can't agree on one thing.
Guys, it's December 26th, 2 a.m. Still no Wi-Fi. And this is the final result. She couldn't make it. I'm so sorry to tell you guys. She finally passed out.
you tomorrow.
Stop eating food.
But you can eat it.
Ay, sí, unas 2 personas por familia.
Two at a time.
We got McDonald's, guys. And she has cellular phone she can call.
No, she can't. Wait. Oh my gosh, she does get a notification. She has 4G.
Can I log into your Snapchat?
I got it. I got. I got it.
Okay, it is December 26th, 2:30. And we are going to Alexa's house. We're going to
Wi-Fi.
for Wi-Fi. And now we're in the car. And we only brought, we did not bring Adriana and Tina because they suck. Check-up time. What time is it?
It's 1. It's 10:02.
It's 10 a.m. guys. And guess what? I got Wi-Fi. Look at my nail polish.
She piled it up.
I want to eat it so bad.